This is Adrian Hart with your Southeast Colorado weather on seconews.org. You can see the blowing dirt and dust causing visibility issues on U.S. Highway 50 here in La Junta. National Weather Service office reporting gusts up to 70 miles per hour today. Hold on to your hat. If you can avoid going out in this, you should. And be careful out there on the roadways. Hit those headlights and go a little extra slow. From U.S. Highway 50 in La Junta, Colorado, with your Southeast Colorado weather on this windy spring day, I'm Adrian Hart.